Hello, everybody. This is Meera, and today I'm going to be talking about my science project named the Compost Race. Before we start, we need to know what compost is. So, what is compost? Compost is a type of organic soil made from decomposable wastes that helps plants and trees grow. Composting technically means breaking down organic material. The types of compost are listed below. We'll be talking more about it in the next slide. The types of compost are aerobic, anaerobic, and vermicomposting. Aerobic compost is a decomposition of organic matter that has microorganisms that need oxygen. Microbes are organisms that can only be seen with the microscope since they're microscopic. Microbes include bacteria, fungi, germs, and virus. Anaerobic compost is the opposite of aerobic compost, as you can see in the name. So, it is very smelly, and without oxygen, lots of nasty bacteria form. Vermicomposting. Vermicomposting uses worms, oxygen, and moisture to break down organic materials. You should give food scraps for the worm to eat and grow. Then you can use the vermicomposting for your plants and trees. Vermicomposting is technically the waste from worms that is used like a natural fertilizer. What is compost race and what do I mean by compost race? In my science project, I used the aerobic compost process and method to experiment which type of food waste helps plants grow faster. That is why I named my project the Compost Race. I used 11 types of compost, and each type of compost is made up of different types of food wastes that contain different nutrients, vitamins, calories, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, and many more, which will support the plant's growth in different ways. The 11 types of food wastes and its nutrients are listed below in this chart. And the chart is continued here. The compost cycle. In the compost cycle, you should first collect some decomposable organic wastes, like I stated before, such as food scraps. Then let it dry for a few days so that it gets dry and crunchy. This way you can grind it and it will decompose better and easier. After that, layer the waste and the soil in a small box. Then it'll start to develop microbes that form fungus within a month. In fact, after it decomposes, worms start to get attracted to the compost and they move there. Then the worms will help make rich, fresh soil by breaking down the organic scraps more. Then, there you have it, organic compost that can be used for fertilizing your garden. This is the compost cycle. Something important in the compost cycle that you should know is that you cannot use dairy, meat, fish, fats, and oils in your compost. Procedure. Stage 1. First, I collected 11 types of food wastes, fruits and vegetable waste. Then I let my food wastes dry so that I can grind it. The 11 types of food wastes are these. So I have tea grounds, rich gourd peel, eggshells, aloe vera, carrot peel, mint leaves, ginger, bottle gourd peel, banana peel, lettuce, and orange peel. Stage 2. After the food waste dried, I grinded it. Then I made 3 layers in my mini compost box to decompose the food waste. Layer 1, which is the bottom layer, was soil. Layer 2, the middle layer, is the grinded food waste. And layer 3 is the soil top layer. As you can see in this picture, this is how you're supposed to layer it. layer 1, layer 2, and layer 3. As you can see, for this box, I used orange peel as my middle layer. Stage 3. During decomposition, some fungus formed on all the compost. If fungus forms, that actually means that the compost has microbes in it. After 1 month, nutrients developed in the compost. Then I planted the seeds as shown in stage 4. As you can see, the top cotton-like material on top here is the fungus. Stage 4. Day 1, I planted the seeds and labeled them so that I know which one is which. Stage 5. In day 5, the plants started to sprout. Stage 6. In day 7, I noticed something interesting. In the bottle gourd compost, microbes are still developing, so there's still no sign of plant growth, and I had to research on that. Stage 7. Day 15 and day 18 was going well, and the plants were sprouting and growing really quickly, except for the bottle gourd compost. Now to summarize my project. The materials which I used are soil, seeds, apple tray, thermocol box, cardboard box. All of these I reuse so that it's very good for the environment. This is my compost trace bar chart. As you can see in the bar chart, below I have the types of compost, and in the side we have the height in inches. And to find which one is the winner, I saw which one was the tallest. And the height in inches, I saw that it was a tie for 2 inches. The winners were ginger peel and rich gourd peel, colored in black and purple. Hooray to those 2 composts. Like I said before, I had to research on why the bottle gourd compost didn't grow. And the bottle gourd compost didn't help the plant grow since it had too many strong nutrients and microbes in it. So it ate the roots and sprout of the seed. But if I had just put a little compost and lots of soil, the seed would have grown with the correct amount of nutrition. My hypothesis was that the banana compost would help the plant grow the fastest because I thought that potassium in bananas will help faster plant growth. My references was this website, which helped me understand all the different types of compost. Conclusion. Now, what I conclude in the compost race project is that the ginger and rich gourd compost are the winners of this race because they help the plant grow the fastest. Instead of using artificial compost, we can use organic compost to help plants and trees grow healthier and stronger. If we make homemade compost, we can have a healthy environment, organic food, and even save money. If everyone makes compost, there will be less landfills and we can save the earth. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.